Welcome. So here's the unique paper code. Name of the paper is Constitutional Values and Fundamental Duties. Name of the course is the VAC course, and for semester it is for semester from first to fourth. Total time is 1 hour. Maximum hours is 30. Here are the instructions for the consult how you have to attend the paper. Okay, you have to either write in English or Hindi on one language only. And first question is compulsory, and you have to attend two from those, and the rest as follows. Okay. Question number one, write short notes only to of the following. A, rule of law. B, sovereignty. C, justice. Question number two, how are constitutional values relevant in day-to-day national life? Question number three, what is the significance of federal republic in Indian constitution? Question number four, discuss the concept of liberty in reference to the Indian constitution. Thank you. If you want any of the further PYQs of any other subject, do mention in the comments and subscribe for more due stuff.